Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on your Alienware Aurora laptop. So normally you would just have to find the power button right here in the top right corner of the keyboard and just press it once, and this will power your device on. But if your device isn't powering on, then you have to make sure that it's connected to the charging cable. Short press the power button, and after a couple of seconds you should see the Alienware logo on your screen, and this indicates that your laptop is turning on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.